Welcome to our training video on Prolog Sky Queries. As mentioned in our Prolog Sky login video, depending on your security rights, when logging into Prolog Sky, you'll be able to access either Prolog Manager or Prolog Converge, or both. Because Prolog Manager uses Query Manager in both Project Talk and Prolog Sky, this video will focus on the query options in Prolog Converge. As of today, the views accessible on the left navigation pane are one option Prolog Converge offers in terms of query-like functionality. And views can be displayed on a per-project basis via the project web area or a cross-project basis via Insight. Let's take a look. Here we are in the Downtown Medical Center project, and you can see the different modules to which you have access. Under each module's feature, you'll see the views that will provide different record displays on the right-hand side. Under the RFI feature, you have 8 different views: all, open, closed, my outstanding RFIs, and so forth. When you select each view, the data on the right filters by that criteria. Here we have 16 open RFIs, which you can see at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And by clicking all, we see a list of 40 RFIs in total for this project. While your view is displayed, you can do some on-the-fly configuration, such as sorting a column in ascending or descending order, grouping the records by dragging a column header to the top area of the screen here, and you can even export information into Excel format if needed. You can also use the toggle option to search or filter by a certain keyword. For example, if I type in the word steel, what I get is a list of 2 records that have the word steel noted in their question field. Keep in mind that project collaborators such as subcontractors, or in this example, the architect Larry, typically only have security rights to see my views on the left navigation pane, meaning they only have access to records they authored or records that were assigned to them, not all records that are in the feature. Note here that Architect Larry's login provides a smaller list of views. In the Insight area, the concept of views is the same. However, here you can see data across multiple projects, not just one. Let's take a look. Here in the Insight view, under the Budget feature here, you can view cost information across multiple projects and can even drill down to see further information per budget code. For example, you can click the construction hyperlink and you can see the construction phase, budget, and cost status. Keep in mind certain view configurations must be performed by your Prolog administrator, such as adding or removing columns, adding visual indicators and highlights to views, hard-coding, filtering, or grouping, and creating brand new views. Now let's review how queries work with Prolog Converge reports, specifically the Report Designer tab, introduced in 9.8. In the Reports area, you can run this example RFI log, but if you'd like, you can use the Designer tab to retrieve just a subset of that report according to the criteria you define. Let's take a look. Here I am in the RFI Summary Log report. The Designer tab acts much like the Designer tab in Prolog's Report Manager, where you can easily filter your report output. For example, if you just want to filter this report by Mighty Constructors Corp., you can simply add the filter to the right-hand side of the screen and run the report. Here you see the report that only displays the RFIs authored by the company Mighty Constructors Corp. This query ability is very useful when reviewing records one company at a time. Remember, for the data group selected, in this case RFI, you have additional filter options available as well. You simply change the default option to all, and the remaining tables and fields are displayed. Please watch our Prolog Converge 9.8 report query video to learn more on this topic. I will now share with you some next steps and resources available to support you in learning Prolog. Be sure to watch our next video, Prolog Sky Project Files. See listed here are resources available for you to further your Prolog knowledge. We also have various social media outlets where you can connect with us and other Prolog users in the community. Please visit our website at meridiansystems.com, Support and Services, to view our current list of training offerings. If you're curious as to what classes and training materials will best suit your Prolog learning goals, please click the Prolog Learning Path link, and this is where you'll see suggested next steps for new users, administrators, and for those who want to take a deep dive into specific areas of Prolog. And lastly, we encourage you to visit Support link to find our library of Prolog training videos. Once logged into the library, you can search for the video topics that best suit your learning needs, and each video is indexed per chapter for easy search and navigation. Should you have any questions on our training resources or would like to contact Prolog support, please email or call us anytime. We are here to assist you in your training and support needs. Thank you for watching our video.